This is a beautiful picture. Let me tell you what is in this picture. The sun is setting behind the mountains. The sky is filled with soft orange and blue colors. There are a few clouds in the sky. The mountains are dark and covered with trees. The lake water is clean and reflective. The reflections of the birds can be seen on the water. Several seagulls are flying above the lake. Some birds are touching the water with their feet. A small wooden boat is floating on the lake. A man is sitting in the boat. The man is wearing a hat. The man is oaring the boat with two paddles. The boat is moving slowly across the water.